All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, exciting day. We got another rebuild. Enough with the campers, because you know, it's summertime. We got to fix some cars, some trucks. This one came up on auction. It's a 2021 Ram 1500 Laramie 4-wheel drive V8. Pretty sweet. Look at this, looking really good. But what really got to me, look at this interior. Black interior, super clean, suede, no airbags deployed, which is really good. Also this side, look at that, all good. It's got 2 wheels. It's looking good. Let's keep going to the front. The front end is looking good. I mean, what damage does it have? It is white. It's not pearl white, but still be good for resale. It's a Hemi e-torque. I have no clue what that is, but we'll find out. I know it's a V6 or V8. This side is looking good, and then we come to the damage. So looking at the auction pictures, the damage don't look bad. Let's get a new axle, not a big deal. Get a cab or bedside, not a big deal. Cab corner, I think we can pull this out. So I went ahead and already ordered a axle. Axle should be in today or tomorrow. Let's get this thing inside the shop. Let's strip it down, take this bed off, and check out if it's got frame damage or any other hidden damage. But let's get it back in the shop. All right, guys, the bed is off. The guys did a great job on bolting it. No big deal, like 6-7 bolts, got it up. The other thing, the next thing we'll do is, now we got more access to this axle. Jack it up, get the rear axle off. The new axle came in. We got some stock wheels for it too. Got them on Facebook Marketplace. And this thing is coming along nicely. Almost ready for some body work. The bed skid should come in today or tomorrow, so we'll start on that. But let's go ahead and get this axle off. Make sure it's good. We'll check the alignment on this thing, get this thing finally running and driving. Exciting, let's keep going. All right, just like that, the Ram is inside the shop. A lot of progress has been done today. We got the bed removed. We got the rear axle removed. We got the new axle installed. Tomorrow morning, we'll get that installed. Bleed the brakes. What else we have to do? Check the alignment on this thing. Also, we got some newer wheels for this thing. We got I don't know why these wheels came on. It's like the stock ones. So we got Laramie wheels. It's gonna make it look a lot nicer. Also, I got a little level kit because this truck's, I mean, it's nice on the inside. Might as well look nice on the outside. But once we get that done, we can start working on the body work. So we're gonna try to pull this cab corner off and save some money. So if it doesn't work out, we'll get a new cab corner. But I think with our metal maxi dent puller, we should be able to pull this thing out really good because it's not aluminum, it's metal, you know, and it moves, it stretches. The door gap's really good. We'll fix a little bit right here. Not a big deal, but let's go ahead. We'll catch you guys in the morning. All right, so just like that, we are ready to paint. Everything got primered. So we got the bed, we got it sanded down, scuffed, taped up. So we're only gonna do the bedside, and we got the door handle, and the handle's all taped up. So sand it out really quick. So let's paint these two things, and then we'll probably get the cab in here and get that thing painted, but this should be pretty quick. About 3 coats of white. White covers really good, nice and simple. You can put it on pretty thick, let it flash. So let's get straight to it. All right, so the truck is ready to paint. We got it all taped up. We're just gonna do this door jamb, blend it on the top a little bit, blend it in. So white, pretty simple, inside and out, looking pretty good. So let's get some paint on this thing, some clear coat, and get it done.
And just like that, guys, there we go, got it together. Been driving around for a little bit, honestly, and super nice, very clean, well put together, I would say. So let's go ahead and check it out, check out the progress of basically before and after, and then also talk about the price breakdown, how much we got it for, which you should already know, but just in case, and then all the parts and how much the labor technically cost and how much it ended up costing us grand total. Let's check it out. Definitely beautiful, but if you guys could see right there, dang, got some touch up to do, gotta sand that down. Basically putting the bed on, we clipped the bumper. It'd be better to have the bumper off before putting the bed on, but we're going and it scratched it. Man, so devastating, because just brand new paint job put together and then scratching it just like that. So that's gotta be touched up, but the dog leg looks fantastic. You can't even tell that this thing was wrecked and destroyed, but there you go. What a beautiful truck, definitely coming together. That Hemi e-torque, whatever, very nice. All right, everybody, so like you've seen, we got this thing for $13,000, but after fees, it came out to be $13,265 to get it outside the gate after all the add-ons and everything like that. Shipping was only $200 to get it delivered to the shop. The rear axle, that was definitely one of the most expensive parts on it for $1,400. Wheels were $680, spacers $92. We got a lift kit, leveling kit on there for $64. A bunch of little miscellaneous parts from the dealer, which cost $980. Adds up pretty quick, especially if you go to the dealer, but hey, some parts are hard to get, especially being a 2021, a little newer, it's gonna add up. Paint was $220, Bondo $110. The new fairing was about $73, and then there's a couple more parts that we did. So overall, I would say just the parts themselves and getting this truck here to the shop after all these parts, not including labor, not including, you know, all that time we put into it, was around $18,000 how much physically we have into the truck. But being a 2021 Laramie, really nice, only 95,000 miles on it, this truck still has a lot of life left and it's driving smooth. So I think that's still a really good deal. I think we'll still have enough to meat in the bone to sell this thing. Basically, that's what we do. We buy, fix it, and sell it. Meanwhile, we drive it around, put some miles on it, test it out, make sure everything is nice and well and looking good. I mean, this 2021 Ram got smacked hard in the rear quarter, twisted suspension, crushed the bed sign, and bent that axle. So for most people, this would be the end of the road, but hey, we've seen an opportunity to bring it back to life better than ever. Replaced, like I said, that rear suspension axle. Definitely pull that out and put a new one in. Got the new bed on there. The frame was actually good. We did alignment on it and it's looking nice. Tailgate was okay, but that dog leg definitely took some time because that is not really a bolt-on, bolt-off part. You have to really put some time and effort into that. But hey, passed our final test, driving it, inspecting it, looking great. Not all salvage trucks are lost causes. This Ram proves it. So if you like this transformation, hit that like button and subscribe for more rebuilds like this one. Drop a comment down below if you ever worked on something like this yourself. So we ended up fixing this 2021 Ram after a nasty rear end hit. Was it a good deal? Was it a bad deal? Let us know down below. This truck was written off as a total loss, complete salvage title because of the rear end damage, but we knew it was fixable and now it looks factory fresh. That bedside was crushed, rear axle off, and alignment completely out. It wasn't just cosmetic, it needed some structural work. Like I said, we used some OEM parts and some aftermarket parts, but hey, we got it done and got it done right. With only $18,000 in it, I still think that's a great deal because these are definitely going for around $30,000 to $37,000. So that's clean title prices. You got to knock off a little bit off the top, but hey, still a solid truck. Heated seats, cooled seats, got heated steering wheel, navigation, 4x4. Definitely very nice. Plenty of power, torque, everything that you need. Personally, rear end damage isn't as bad as front end. There's a lot less parts going on, a lot less sensors, wires, computers. It definitely is work still, and it's going to cost you a little bit, but hey, I still recommend it, and I like getting rear end damage or side damage like that. Really not too bad, and definitely worth fixing. All right, guys, that is a wrap. So leave some comments down below if you like these kind of rebuilds, quick one video, get it, fix it, and show before and after, or you want to see more intense, detailed all the details that we have to do, and we could break it apart too. That's not a problem, but we love you guys' feedback. Make sure you stay tuned. We definitely got some crazy projects coming up, some high-end supercars, some more campers here and there, but hey, no big deal. We'll just make everybody happy, kind of being a lot of variety out there. But leave some comments, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll catch you next time.